Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Maryam binti Rosli. Today, I would like to show to you guys about how to use a program about kinetic energy and what kind of graph that we will get. So here the first example. If a dart is flying at 3 meters per second and has a mass of 2 kg, what is the kinetic energy of the dart? So here we can put in the mass column, which is 2 kg, and the speed is 3 meters per second, and when we calculate it we get 9 joules. So here we plot the graph and we get linear graph. Okay, next, what is the kinetic energy of a 4 kg book falling at 5 meters per second? So we put in the mass, which is 4 kg, and the speed, which is 5 meters per second, and when we calculate it we will get 50 joules. Also we plot it and yes, we get linear graph too. Next is, you serve a volleyball with a mass of 2.5 kg. The ball leaves your hand and with a speed of 10 meters per second. What is the kinetic energy of the ball? So we put in the mass, which is 2.5, and speed, which is 10. And when we calculate it, we get 125 joules, and we plot it. Also, we get a linear graph. As you can see, all of these graphs are linear graph, since this is kinetic energy versus mass graph. This is because the equation for kinetic energy is Ke equal to half mv squared. Kinetic energy has a direct relationship with mass, meaning that as mass increases, so does the kinetic energy of an object. The same is true of velocity. However, mass and velocity are indirectly related. Objects with greater mass can have more kinetic energy even if they are moving slowly, and objects moving at much greater speeds can have more kinetic energy even if they have less mass. Here is another example. Suppose you have a grocery cart. You push it down the aisle and continue to push it with the same speed as you put more items in the cart. As you add more groceries to the cart, how will the kinetic energy of the cart change? And the answer is, the kinetic energy of the cart will increase because the mass is increasing, while the speed remains constant. So that's all from me, and I hope you guys get something from my video. That's all. Have a nice day, everyone.